Hi everyone, welcome back to Cloud Institution. In this video, we will see about the how to create a box model. Okay, so for this, there is no any kind of direct properties there to create a box model. We have to create using a different properties. So you can see this is the right side. So there is an element, and there is like some kind of borders, and there is some kind of space between the elements. Is called as a what box model. How to create that box model using this? Okay, so let me see with the practical. Okay, so let me create a one file called box.html, and let me create structure of the HTML. And okay, so what I'll do, h1, so heading, and then I'll apply the style for this one. Okay, so here I'll select the h1 and I'll apply the padding. First of all, I need to give the padding for this. Okay, 20 pixel I'm giving, and also I'll apply the what background color for this, some kind of color. Okay, and I'll apply the border for this. Okay, so I hope this we like you have already gone through the border and the padding property, which I have covered in the previous videos. If you haven't gone through that video, please go through that video using like there is a CSS tutorial playlist. In that you'll find all these things. Okay, so now here what I'll do, I'll apply the what border 2 pixel solid style. Okay, solid style, and let me go and check it. Okay, so you can see that it is applying. So and also I want to make the width so little less, so I'll apply the width little bit 20 pixel. Okay, let's see how much it will come. I'm not sure, so yeah, it came little less only. Okay, let me make it as a 50 or 60. Okay, 60, let me take it as 60. And okay, it's less again, so let me use the 100% 100 pixel itself. So yeah, you can see this is the box model. If you are applying any kind of content, any kind of padding, background color and the border, and also you can apply the margin also. No worries in that. Okay, so margin 40 pixel. So you can do this. You can use these properties to apply the water, the box model. So that is a you don't have any kind of direct box model property. You have to use these kind of properties to create the water box model. I hope this video is understood. And if you have any comment doubts, you can comment it out. And if you like this video, please hit on the like button, share it to your friends, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.